Hello guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change the background and how to remove the background from any image using Canva. First of all, open Canva, then you can create a new design or anything you'd like. For now, I already have a design, so I click on it. In here, to change the background, just click on this, and you will be greeted by something of a background color on the top left corner next to the position. Click on the background color and you will see plethora of colors available here. You can select from anyone here. I'm selecting this. I'm fine with it, so I click outside. This is how you change the background. Now for removing the background of an image, I'll just upload an image, and once the image has been uploaded and resized as per your wish, just click on the image, and on the top left you will see something like edit photo. You can simply click on it. Then you will be greeted by an option called Busy Remover. Do remember that this is a Canva Pro feature, and to remove the background you must first of all buy Canva Pro. Well guys, that's it for the video. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.